Hello and welcome to my video. This is a video to show you the process of applying and transferring a waterslide decal for a precision style bass guitar. The first stage was to seal the wood with 3 coats of nitrocellulose lacquer, then sand it back to flatten it, then apply the waterslide decal with warm water and let it dry for 24 hours. I then sprayed on an extra 9 to 12 layers of nitro, let it dry for 2 to 3 weeks, and polished it through the grits with sandpaper from 1200 to 3000 grit. I then went on to use car polish for the final shine. I wrote a short instrumental piece of original music using this bass to show you how it sounds.